Hello and welcome. Today I'm painting a piranha, specifically the piranha from the stripping video. So, starting off with a model primed in black, I'm showing you here that the burst cannon is magnetized. It's pretty simple to do. Maybe I'll do another video on that. And this is another piranha that I'm working on, and I'm going to kind of show you the basic scheme of what we're going to be doing, about how the colors never repeat. That's the whole point of my Farsight scheme. So, starting off with corn red, we're going to paint the wings and the top armor plate. Leave the front bumper, if you will, black. We're going to be painting that gray later. And leave the stripes right above that the same. Now, we got Mechanicus Standard Gray. So what you're going to want to do is pick out the separations in the armor, on the top and the bottom, and paint them gray. For reference, you can look back at my first picture or the piranha that I showed earlier. The goal is to have no gray touching gray plates or black touching black plates. And now we take some lead belcher, we paint the front vents of the engine, and we paint the engine components in the back. Also hit the vents on the side of the engine as well. Now, with Balthazar's Gold, hit the piping on the engine in the back, hit the side of the vents on the engine in the front, and then hit the basing of the vents on the side of the engine. Now we take Abaddon Black, and we're going to be cleaning up all the black areas. Everything that is still black should be remaining black. So, just as a reference, this is what the model should be looking like at this point. And now we're going to take Nun Oil and run it down all the cracks in the armor. Next up, we got Evil Sun Scarlet. And this is going to be kind of our highlight. You're going to run down all the sharp edges and all the places where the armor stops, and between the borders of the black and the gray. And now, we're going to take Celestia Gray and do the same exact thing for the gray. And now, you're going to take some bright colors. You can choose whichever ones you like. I'll put the ones I chose in the description. And you're going to touch up everything that you think is an LED or a light bulb. that's gonna be it. If you've made it this far, Again, I just want to say thank you very much. Feedback is always appreciated, whether it's good or bad. Have a great day.